Hello, what is up mga mom, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the Blockies Venom Marvel Rivals na action figure. Alright, first step is to use Bosni Spray Paint Flat Black. Ito yung primer na gagamitin natin para yung other paints will stick to the surface. Ang recommended curing time niya around 8 to 12 hours. Alright, after that we are going to use Hero Paints Water-Based Acrylic Primer Matte White. Okay, mag-apply naman tayo ng dry brushing technique dun sa surface para magkaroon tayo ng white na base for our anti-venom. Ay, hindi. Ano na pala to? Hyper orange. Kasi pag black yung base natin, tapos nag-apply tayo ng orange, medyo muddy yung color. So, we need a lighter base. Alright, kaya black yung ginamit kong primer para meron tayong shadows. So, kaya din dry brushing yung ginagawa natin ngayon so that yung paint mapapahiran niya yung mga nakaangat na surface, that will be our highlights, and yung mga naka-recess na areas, yun yung mga shadows natin. Yan, so ganito yung appearance niya. And then next will be warm red. Ito yung base for our orange. So let's just apply warm red dun sa white naman. Mas vibrant yung red natin since lighter naman yung base. So ganun yung technique na gagawin natin. We're going to apply layers and layers of paint para ma-achieve yung hyper orange na color. And then after that, we are going to use orange from Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for always sponsoring our videos for custom repaint projects. If you want to know more about Hero Paints, punta lang kayo sa Lazada or Shopee. Meron silang store. And then search nyo lang sa search bar, Hero Paints, Hiro Paints. And then next step, we are going to use lemon yellow para naman magkaroon ng konting highlight.